There's something special about working with iron. It's tough, it's strong, it lasts. In the heart of New York City, Arvern Ironworks brings that magic to life. For generations, Arvern has been shaping iron into works of art and strength. They pour their heart into every project, big or small. When you choose Arvern, you're not just getting ironwork, you're getting a piece of their passion. Arvern Ironworks has been around for a long time. They've built a strong name for themselves. People in New York City trust them. They are known for their quality. They have a long list of happy customers. People know that Arvern will get the job done right. Their experience means they know how to handle any job. When you need ironwork, you can count on Arvern. Arvern Ironworks does more than just gates and fences. They can do it all. Need a custom railing for your stairs? They can do that. How about a big strong beam for a new building? They can do that too. They also fix things. If your ironwork is broken, they can fix it. They'll make it strong again. Arvern Ironworks is your one-stop shop for anything iron. At Arvern, they respect the old ways. They know how to heat and hammer iron like the blacksmiths of old, but they also use the newest technology. This helps them work faster and with more precision. They use lasers to cut the iron perfectly. They use computers to make sure everything fits just right. This mix of old and new makes Arvern's work really special. Section 5, Quality First Assurance and Customer Satisfaction. Arvern Ironworks cares about quality. They want to make sure every job is done right. They check their work carefully. They don't take shortcuts. They also care about their customers. They want you to be happy. They listen to what you want. They work with you every step of the way. If you're not happy, they'll make it right. Section 6. Steel that doesn't cost the earth. Sustainable practices. Arvern thinks about the environment. They know that making things can hurt the planet, so they try to work in a way that's good for the earth. They use recycled steel whenever they can. They don't waste energy. They're always looking for new ways to be even greener. Section 7. Steel Made Real, showcasing Arvern's portfolio. If you want to see what Arvern can do, just look at their work. They've done projects big and small all over New York City. They've made beautiful gates for homes. They've built strong structures for skyscrapers. They've even made art pieces that are displayed in museums. Their work speaks for itself. Section 8. Working with you, the Arvern Experience. When you choose Arvern Ironworks, you're not just getting a product, you're getting a partner. They'll work with you every step of the way. They'll listen to your ideas. They'll answer your questions. They'll make sure you're happy with the final result. They're not just building something for you. They're building it with you. Section 9. Conclusion, forging your vision in iron. When it comes to ironwork, Arvern Ironworks is the best choice. They have the skill, they have the experience, they have the passion, they care about quality, they care about their customers, and they care about the planet. If you can dream it, they can build it. Choose Arvern Ironworks for your next project and see the magic of iron come to life.